Welcome to Coin Engineer YouTube channel. I have brought you a fresh mouth-watering topic which you talk about, listen to and make a fortune thanks to it. Here it is, NFT. Today I'll teach you what an NFT is, what they are used and so on. If you want me to create more content for free like this, subscribe to our channel and keep the notifications on to catch videos and updates while they are hot. Let's go through our topic. First of all, to be able to understand what NFT is, we have to dig into token types. We have two kinds of token. We have non-fungible tokens and fungible tokens. Now, first we will understand what fungible tokens are. They are Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, BNB, and the other cryptocurrencies we all know trade and exchange. They can be traded or exchanged one to another or divided into parts. However, non-fungible tokens cannot be traded, exchanged, or divided. They can only be transferred. Okay, what is an NFT and what are they used for? It's a digital token having special attributes, and it proves that unique token belonging to only a person. It can be a photo, as you see right on the presentation, or it can be a video or an audio or a land title. It's a digital form of certificate of authenticity, and it is the ownership of digital file. You want to go a bit more? Let's break it down. Imagine you've got the Last Supper. You have the original one, people have copied ones. It is super frustrating to see the copies of Last Supper everywhere, and how will you make people believe yours is real one? The others are fake. We have certificate of authenticity. When people see this certificate, they go like, oh yeah, that is the original one. But when it comes to digital things, here comes NFTs. It is stored and digital certificate of authenticity, and it proves that yours is original. One of the most important parts when it comes to NFTs is uniqueness. The more unique, the more valuable. Think of a paper money dollar. It's a normal and standard money. But if you have a dollar, the serial number includes only 1 or 2 or 3. The certain money is a unique money because you can't find the serial number every time. It's very rare to see something like this. So what about when it comes to NFT collections? So now we will mention one of the most important collection on OpenSea, NFT market. So we will open Bored Apes Yacht Club. We will go down and we will pick one of the NFT. As you see the NFTs, you see the prices, more than 100 Ether, mostly more than 100 Ether. So Ether price is like 3000 USD. So I think now you're calculating the total amount of money. You better not, because you will be crazy. You will be gone crazy. And I will make you crazier when I talk about minting price of these NFTs. It's super duper crazy. To be able to learn this, please watch the video till the end. I will mention. Let's see the properties we have. We have backgrounds, we have clothes, eyes, mouth, hats, fur. Each NFT on this collection has these traits. Okay, but for uniqueness, we will check these percents. Less percents we have, the more unique it is. So for example, the fur is 12%. We see 6% of this trait will be more valuable, which means more unique. We will check these parts for each and we will decide which one is more unique. So this is also another strategy to be able to buy NFT. Okay, we have mentioned the uniqueness of an NFT on OpenSea, and now we will talk about the OpenSea website, which is NFT marketplace working and constructing on Ethereum blockchain. First of all, we have Explore, we have Create. If you're an artist, you will directly go from here, Create. Well, we will click on Explore. We will see the collection types, trending, top, arts, collectibles, domain names, music, photography, sport, and the other ones. When we click on music, we can see Snoop Dogg, and also The Weeknd, and we can even see more popular. We can see different artists around here too. So let's scroll up. Let's check top one. We see Bored Apes, and we have Mutant Apes. We have CryptoPunks. And now we will talk about the top collections over 30 days. Let's see. You see the floor price of each ape on this collection, and this is the other floor price of Mutant Ape on the collection, and it goes like this. So let's click on ranking. Okay, so you can pick whichever you want. Which has lowest volume? That one. Which has highest volume? It's this one. 24 hours change, 7 days change, and floor price, the owners, items, items. So it seems this is new one. So we clicked on it. Lankos Block Party. It has been verified. So this is another sign, which means a good collection of NFT. So you can check it out if you want to buy your first NFT. You can watch our video. There's a video. And this is the other website which we will use to buy and sell our NFTs. And this is Rarible. After OpenSea, this is the most used NFT marketplace on crypto ecosystem. So as you see, we have the filter parts, top collections in 1 day. Let's make it 30 day. Okay, we can see the collections. We have hot bits, or we have lands. It seems like this is from the sandbox. You know the answer? Yes, this is from the sandbox. As you see, people or sandbox project sells some lands on Rarible marketplace by using Ether. You see the price at 3.15 Ether for that land. So this is also an NFT way of selling their lands. So this is a metaverse land. The selling option is NFT. We see top sellers. We have live auctions. Okay, as you see, time remaining for each NFTs. We've got hot collections. We have explore and the other ones. So that's pretty much of it for that website. And this is the last and third NFT marketplace to buy and sell NFTs. This is more likely to be different from the other marketplaces such as OpenSea and Rarible. This website has different kind of NFTs, seems like. So when we click on explore, we will see trending. We can click on trending and we see trending creators. We can click on collectors and collections. Okay, let's click on collectors. Okay, we have collections too. Okay, let's see this strong here. So very, very interesting. Don't go like this. So who's paying that much of money? People pay it. It's nothing for them. It's maybe weird to you. Personally, it is weird to me as well. Oh, people buy, people sell. It's all about art. It's all about perspective. So people were telling the same sentences for CryptoPunks. When they saw that it was too expensive, they were like, and it only consists of 8 bits things and stuff like that. So people do it. Okay, now the other question is this: what examples we have in real life and where can I use NFT? Blockchain technology and NFTs afford artists and content creators a unique chance to earn money with their wares. Artists don't need to go to auction houses and galleries. Instead, they go online on NFT marketplace and sell their wares. Therefore, they make good profits. Middlemen, so-called auction houses, galleries are removed thanks to the technology. If artists keep selling their wares at auctions and galleries, they will pay percentage of sales. Thanks to the NFT and NFTs marketplace, they can sell their house, apartments via smart contract functionality in a safe and simple way, and you can turn your house into NFT. They don't pay much amount of money to the landlord and to the auction house landlord too. And we will have news for you coming from CryptoPunks. As I told you before, I was gonna mention about the mint price of Bored Ape Yacht Club, and now it is time to mention it. As you know, as you watched on our videos, that Bored Ape Yacht Club was the most expensive NFT collection out there. And now the mint price of Bored Ape Yacht Club was 0.08 Ether. Wow. Now when it comes to the current price, it is more likely to be 250 USD. Wow. It says 50 Ether, but this is the old one. This is from December 29, 2021. So this is from last year. It passed more than 3 months. When you check the NF floor price of Bored Ape Yacht Club, it's more than 100 Ether. Wow, you are retired. If you had bought one Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT, you could have been retired right now. Do you really believe that only investors and traders buy and sell NFTs and stuff like that? No. Now I will show you a list of people who have NFTs. Eva Longoria, Selby Drummond, Shonda Rhimes, Serena Williams. You know this collection? CryptoPunks. Ozzy Osbourne. We have Snoop Dogg as well. Wow, very cool NFT. We have MC Hammer and we have Travis Barker. We have Eminem. What else can I tell? But did it finish? Of course it didn't finish. We have Jack Dorsey, Steve Aoki, Grimes, Lindsay Lohan, and also Paris Hilton. These people have NFTs as well. When you check their Twitter profile, you may be even seen that they have NFTs as profile picture. And now it's time to talk about facts about NFTs. CryptoPunks and CryptoKitties were the first mainstream NFT projects. And the other one was about NBA Top Shots. NBA Top Shots helped support the NBA league during lockdown. And also the other one, most NFTs exist on Ethereum blockchain. And so the correlation between Ether and NFT. What kind of correlation can we have? Is it, I just told you before that most NFTs work under Ethereum blockchain. For that reason, Ether value has skyrocketed since first NFT. And the other one, Visa, you know, the payment system, Visa has bought a CryptoPunk NFT for 150k USD. It was months ago. And also, Jack Dorsey has sold his first tweet for 2.9 million USD. As you can see right on the picture on your right, this was the first tweet of him just setting up my Twitter, March 21, 2006. Wow. People paid 2.9 million USD for that picture. Yes, for that picture, they paid it. So guys, that's pretty much of it. We have unfortunately come to the end of our video. I hope I was able to teach you what NFT is. I was able to educate you well. And if you like my videos, subscribe to channel and keep the notifications on to be able to catch my next video. Take good care of yourself until next time. Bye bye.